I had chemo treatments, and shortly after that my hair came back, and then shortly after that it started to lose it slowly.
I noticed around when I was 21, 22, beginning to thin out and top, and at that point I was like, hat time.
Why sit and suffer and worry about your hair loss when there are ways that we can solve it? I'm Keith. Nice to meet you.
You too.
If you have hair loss, best thing that you can do is come in and talk to us. I assure you, it's all low key, there's no pressure. We want you to make a comfortable decision that you can live with.
I feel relieved. I feel new.
Overall, my experience here at Keith's Hair Center is by far blown away.
I love the hair business. I mean, I'm just happy that I started it 30 some years ago and still have passion every day that we come to work.